And we're back to learning Photoshop in a year, day 359. Let me show you the spin blur. You can find it under Filter Blur Gallery. If you've watched my last videos on, for example, the path blur, this is the spin blur is even easier to adjust. Function and center, the circle is for the intensity. You can also use the scale. And then you can readjust by hovering over these nodes. The blur area, it's an ellipse shape, and you can drag that in width and height. You can rotate it, and obviously you can reposition that. There are circles on the inside. These are for the feather. So everything inside of these circles is the full blur. And then from these circles on to the outer edge of the ellipse, the blur just feathers out step by step. And you can left click on an empty area. This pin icon will appear with a plus sign. And if you left click, you can add more of these blurs. And you can add different intensities, different shapes to different areas on your photo. And if you're wondering how can you delete them, just left click on the center point and then press the delete key, and this will erase the specific blur area. Once you've got what you want, don't forget to confirm at the top via OK, and then this should be applied to your photo. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.